We'll translate some statements into equations. So our first one says the sum of twice a number and 4 is equal to the sum of the number and 9. Anytime I have a long problem to translate, I look to see if it's an equation. So look for words that mean the equal symbol. That will split it up. This is going to be our equal symbol. So now we have two parts. Right. On our first part, our first keyword or operation word is sum. Sum means to add. We're expecting two pieces. Usually they're separated by the word and. So there's your and. The 4 goes after. Twice a number. So our first one is 2x, or you could have a dot. 2x is a little more compact. Right, here's our equals, and then we'll do the other half. Again, we have sum, so that will be an addition. Here's our and, a number, and 9. You need to use the same variable as you did for the first one. And there's our equation. Another problem to translate. Again, this one looks a little long, so I would look to see if there's anything that means the equal symbol. And there is equal to, so that will split it up for us. We'll work on the first part, and notice you have commas in this one. That's to tell you that a piece is finished. So first we have 3 times a number, which would be 3x. Right, that piece is done. Then it says minus 5, so that's from the whole thing. Right, now we have our is equal to. 2 times the number, and then there's a comma, so 2 times the number would be 2x. So that piece is done, and then plus 8. So there's your translation. We'll do one more, and this time at the end, notice it says find the number, so they want us to translate and solve. So again, it's a little long, so I'm going to look to see where my equals would be if it's an equation. And it is right there. So that will help split it up. We'll do the first part. Twice the difference. If you watch the translation video, remember when you do twice and your next word is another operation word, the second one has to go in parentheses. So 2 operation words back to back. Put the second one in parentheses. So twice is 2 times. And difference would go inside because we want twice the whole difference. Difference is subtract, and it goes in order, and is your separator. So x and 7 is equal to 3 times the sum. Notice on this side you are also getting 2 operation words back to back. 3 times, so you have your times. That's 1. You could put the dot for times, expecting the second piece, but it is a sum, so I'll go ahead and use the parentheses. If you put the dot, you would have the dot and the parentheses. Right? Your sum will go inside. Sum is add, a number, and 2. Right? That's our translation. So twice the difference of a number and 7 is equal to 3 times the sum of a number and 2. All right, so to solve this one, first we will distribute and simplify on each side. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times a minus 7 is a minus 14. Parentheses comes off. Other side, distribute your 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. Parentheses comes off. Now you have a variable on both sides. You need to choose to get rid of one of those x terms. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to choose to get rid of the 3x. So I need to subtract it from both sides. Nothing wrong with doing this step in your head if you're good with your signs and everything. So we'll give you a negative 1x, or negative x minus 14 equals 6. Now work on the side with your variable. You need to get rid of that minus 14. So you're going to add a 14 to both sides. clean up. So negative x equals 20. Divide out that negative 1, so you get x equals negative 20. So 2 answers. Your translation is 1 answer. And find the number. This is the other answer.